Teachers here at one. All of you parents, thank you for allowing this school year. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting our teachers. Thank you for coming for our guidance. Thank you for everything that you all do. It is an honor to work with all of your students, your children, your grandchildren, your nieces and nephews. It's an honor for all of us to you all. And she really the best. Please stay. Right, make sure you come back. We'll be waiting for you after the vacation. Boys and girls, actually, John, and my last foot. This one.
Hindi na. Hindi na. Gloria lang eh. Gloria, wala. Sure. Why are you shy? Oh my goodness.
All right, guys.
My God, she's shy.
Oh,
Ha?
ito na lang po.
Ah.
Akala ko na lang po. Where's sweet? Very nice. Outside.
Awesome.
Oh, okay, yeah, I will. Parents, if you don't have one, it's an art show. There's art down on the hallway, and then in the first room on the left with the sign outside. Yes, I agree. Parents, it's an art show down the hallway.
Oh, 대박. 너 보물 class. Mm-hmm. I show in the hallway right there. What do you guys have to do right now? What do you guys have to do right now?
I don't want to stay.
Huh? Are you gonna stay? You can go home right now?
Bye, Julia.
Hey, hey. Are you going home right now? You don't have to do anything? Well, what do you guys do right back? Huh? They're doing like any show?
I can't let you the whole.
No, she has to go.
work. Well, I want to get done here.
Bae, Bae, why you don't look at the camera when I take the video?
I didn't see you.
You didn't see me? Look here, babe. Okay. We take picture together. Okay?
Bro.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. Look. Yeah. Okay. Cheers. Says cheers. Okay. All right. Open the car. Yeah. Oh, all right. Oh.
Nanti aku tapi nanti. Wala
Yeah.
pada. Isa kaya mana ya? Pati kaya agad ito.
Well, put plenty. Okay.
I have a party tomorrow.
Yeah. Gloria, no?
Doon tiyaw na.
Bro.
Doon tiyaw.
Oh, just like that. Let's start the car right now. Like it, babe. Put the car here right now. Joe. Please. No. Okay. Too close. Okay.
Wait.
Mà put it in the chỗ đó.
Like this, right? Oh, yeah.
Đi đây, đi con rồi.
Go for it. Are you on live?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Ma, every time, Ma, if there's a concert, your teacher thinks you'll usually don't know there. You know, on the
Ano, dati mo muna.
so like every time you concert only, you get here.
Okay, we'll put that
Yes,
plan.
dati mo muna.
If you told us earlier, we can prepare ourselves and we can come see your show today. All right, let's go home. How was school today? Good? No. I see you guys very happy, right? I see your friends at the school. So so cool, so beautiful people.
No. Isn't this a car?
Oh yeah, your bro sent me the message.
Yeah,
He
tao
said
sila ko na eh.
he forgot his iPod. Your school is so beautiful inside, so clean. I see that. So this evening we have to go to your brother's school too. Are you gonna follow us? Okay.
Cause I might just go for food.
Oh, for food? Okay. What kind of food you like? Okay. You don't know? Oh my goodness. You don't open the AC. Too hot. Pandu ada kayak plug gimana? Iya, plug gimana? Pandu ada kayak? Pandu ada plug gimana? Camera plug.
What time is it?
It's like 9:43. Yeah. It's hot today, babe. Temperature right now 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Gila gila gila. Oh, here lama. This is our neighbor. Get to ignite. Okay. This is our backyard here. This is our backyard. Yeah. Our home backyard. So this our neighbor. This is our neighborhood. Marosa Street. Look at that. Our neighbor. Look at our neighbor home. There you go here. This is our house. These are our neighbor homes, houses. These are our neighbor houses. Beautiful houses here. So beautiful. Almost $1 million this house. Almost I said. Not really close, but I think almost $1 million. Got inflation going up right now. House prices going up. All right. Open the garage door right now. Right? We're back home right now. We're back home right now, guys. We'll see you next time. We'll see you guys next time. Wait, 1 second, 1 second, wait. 1 second, 1 second. 1 second. Right. Good. All right. There you go. There you go. All right, we're done. We have just arrived. Let go.
Di modal dulu tak tahu dia.